Okay, so Friday, one of the best days to buy stocks, and especially in the bull market. We just watch what's strong now, and plug looks good. For example, we can go to this one. This is a short-term scan to see where money's flowing. To get some ideas. Let's see. So generally, I think this is a good day to buy. Trump is meeting the EU president, whatever, I think it's a president, in Scotland to talk tariffs. And it looks like people are buying end of day, I think. Let's see. Okay, there was not much in there. Let's look at this one. This is constant buying in the day. Let's see if we can find anything. Yeah, money's flowing into this one, and this one, and the let's see what else. Yeah, there's some volume in there. Oh, there's a lot of stocks in here. It's a good sign. Also seeing some setups, which is also a good sign. I think this is companion to plug somehow, I'm not sure. It also looks pretty good. Has some moving averages, the 200, a VWAP from, I don't know where, maybe I should do a 2-year start actually. From the top, okay. So this scan looks for constant buying, like on short term. I think it's 30 minutes, 15 minutes, yeah. It's going to reload every 15 minutes. Same with this one. I think this one's 30 minutes, maybe 15 as well. Yeah, 39. So sometimes actually, unfortunately, if you look at it too early in the new period, you won't get. This one finds breakouts in the short term. Okay, so the low liquidity scan. Let's see if I can find anything. Oh, there are not that many in here. Okay. EOD was also good. Yeah, those two go together. Yeah, a lot of buying today in both. Wait. Yeah. Okay, so that's a good sector. let's get back here. This one is sorted. It's just a small breakout, and it's sorted by volume buzz. This one has the most. This one, start of day bullish. Yeah, this one looks pretty good actually. Delete that, and I guess the pivot was down here, but it's a lot of overhead, so maybe we'll go it's like better above 7. It looks a bit choppy here actually, so maybe not the best, but EOD looked really good, but it's very high up. That's the problem with that one. So I think it's too risky, even though it could work, but it's way too risky for me. So not great in that. So these are looking great, right? Yeah, maybe this one actually. Nice pivot, like flat pivot there. And we have Oclo looking great. But we do have a broadening range, or which it can flip. I think it might actually, but it's quite unusual for stocks to flip it. But if they do, it's a sign of strength. And I think it looks like he wants to. Actually. This one looks pretty good as well. I guess it's related somehow to plug and things like that. And I remember it went with them like a few years ago, and they were all going. I do like that one. It's the ADR, it's pretty high. Yeah, B. Wait, B is looks great, but it's a bit up here. This one's so ultra strong, maybe a bit low volume. Yeah, that's why I haven't seen it. This looks pretty good. Maybe not ready yet, but it's interesting. I'm adding it to my list. What else? Can we check? Tight breakout. Probably most of these. This one has been my favorite this week for the 2 last days, and now actually it looks like it's going. I have no money to buy it, so this one I probably wouldn't recommend to most traders because it's really fast moving. But I would trade this one personally. This one looked great yesterday. Like perfect above the year-to-date VWAP here, and moving average are pretty much bunched together, like not perfectly, but it looks good. Of course, there's another pivot here, but there's some nice like 2-day pivot. Pretty strong stock showing strength here. It's not super high volume actually. This is dollar volume, so yeah, it's not much actually. Hood, trying to reclaim the 5. So this is 2 times leverage. I guess, yeah, that looks really great actually. It already took out like the yesterday's high and 2-day high, so it already kind of broke out, but it can continue to move. We don't have a lot of distance to move. here. So that's a problem. So like 14%. No, not for me. It looks a bit weird. Maybe it's very low volume. Yeah, it is. What's that? It's an IPO. Actually, it looks kind of nice over here and here. It's interesting. I'm gonna do an IPO VWAP as well. It's gonna be at the same location. But once I delete the year of VWAP, it's gonna be standing by itself. So and get some weird yellow green color here. It's actually pretty nice. I'm gonna put that into check out. The defense stocks they look great. Unfortunately. I like how this navigated the 200 SMA. Perhaps I could retest it. It's not flat yet. There's a peak over here, which I think like above there, above 15. I don't need another alert actually because I'm going to delete all the alerts during the weekends. I reset it later. Whoa, this is just like going every day. Yeah, this one looks great. Volume is not much though. Okay, that was it. What else? I can check our few more days list. This one worked pretty well. Maybe not ready. Like looks almost ready. I want it above 2 or 3. I think it could get above actually on Monday. Then I think I would buy the gap or maybe a retest of this DTL. It's pretty long. Like it goes all the way from here in 2022. This one looks pretty good, but also probably low volume, yeah. Very low volume. Whoa, this looks great. Clean breakout on, yeah, it's kind of going as we speak. I don't have a buy line here because it's low ADR, but actually I can buy this one with leverage. So I'm going to move it to buy line. It already broke it, so and I have no money. But I think this one is pretty good. And this money is coming in here. So this one I will definitely look at. Where did it go? Oh yeah, it changed. There it is. This one's trying to navigate the VWAP and 200. So the yellow one is always the year-to-date. I have one that is on all stocks. So I started day 1 on the year. And I have that in yellow, so I always know. So it tries to navigate that and some other VWAP, and the 200 is the pink. And it broke above, retested, so it's, and we also have the 325 up here, which is also important. Well, actually, the wicks are from that, the yellow one. And also, of course, there's some type of level here. I really like how it retested and washed out and got bought up. This kind of looks ready. It's companion to this, which looks great, and also to this. So it looks pretty good as well. Also the Viva, trying to navigate that. So I'm actually gonna put a byline. I think actually this is the best one, but I don't think it's known. And the chart is not as good. Let's see. This one looks amazing actually. I'm gonna add it here so I don't forget it. What else? Oh yeah. I mean, 10 kind of looked even better because of how it's set up. Yeah. GoPro is interesting. Memstock Mania, but above this 150, 160 area as the shorter term moving average caught up. Volume is not there now, but maybe it could pick up. So it's also nice when it's low volume when it's pulling back. So I think that's pretty interesting. What time is it? Okay. This one looks good. Great. I like that it held here. Didn't go yet. Maybe it actually needs to, like, maybe as it's retested the Viva, the 20, the 10 is, or yeah, the 10 is like peaking. Yeah, it's down, and they're coming together really nicely. So it probably needs a few more days here. So like 1, 2, 3. I like 3 waves. I think this is one. Maybe we can get 2 smaller ones here. We don't know if it's sideways or a bit up or down. Sometimes it's more down. But this one, I kind of like the structure of it. But not yet. This is battery name. Kind of looks good. It's below the 10. So then I figure it usually is going to test the 20 and maybe surf it before breaking out. That's the best. It's also pretty close to like its potential range. So it can go 15 to around 19, 20, depending on how far it goes sideways. So if it goes more sideways, it can go further. I like the battery names. This one looks ready. So also a really good name, like fundamentally. It's one of the few fundamental names I'm looking at, that and this one. This one is a smaller cap, I think. Yeah, it is. So this one I have a position in both actually. A small one on this one. This one I added 3 times, so 1, 2, 3. I also get stopped out here. Anyhow, what else? Did we go through it all? I think Oakley looks good. It's trying to navigate the 325, the yellow one here, as well as the 1550. I think this is turnaround, and I don't think people understand why, because it has so much competition, etc. But they're cutting costs, and there's still, I think there might be still some expansion to do for the whole category, and I mean, there's really not a moat, especially as people are copying their. I saw Alpro actually more or less copied their very successful design and commercial tone in Croatia. Yeah, it was like a copy. But the turnaround is a cost-cutting turnaround. And they have several good quarters now. Better quarters, not good. I have a position. It's down a lot. That's the main thing. It's down a lot. For a reason. But it's, we have reflexivity. It goes down too much. And that's just the structure of the market. Almost 99% down. And from there, it's up 157%, so high tag flag. I mean, this is shit stock, but it can really go. What else? Yeah, we could look at high volume earnings winners that I started to collect. So this one for sure. Now it's already moved quite a bit, but this is on the list. This one, yeah, it held really well up here after gap. So this one on the list, not deleted. This one, not sure. It gapped up into the VWAP from year start. So that's a difficult thing. And also there's a left side structure here, which of course is going to be a dilemma. And I'm not going to delete it. This one didn't hold more than half of the move. Not even that. Came back down to the 89 EMA. Yeah. I think the earnings are pretty good, but yeah, it did a big move though, initially. No, it's not that big. Maybe it's big for this one. It's not for me. Maybe I'll delete it. I'll give it one more day. This one's amazing, but it's also up a lot. Like one of these impossible, it's good. It's difficult to trade. You just have to realize that you have to go down to 4 hour. Wait. Or 2 hour. No, you can't do that. Okay. Let's go 4 hour like this. We can go down to 2 hour. Let me go through more charts before we close. So if we go down to 2 hour, it's going to look more like regular breakouts. If we go back to day, I mean, you can buy it anywhere more or less, and it's gonna work, right? Because it's one of the best stocks in the market, and it's casually up 365%, and it's a pretty large cap as well, so it's impressive. It's a spin-off to GE, and it's an AI and I guess an AI related somehow. This one looks great. It's not high ADR, it's very low down in short. It's also a sector I don't normally trade. But it's holding on well. This is the high volume close, and it's above that in 2 days. So 3 days in a row. That's good. It's gonna stay. This one, it's gonna stay. Fisher. It looks good. It held it. It has the moving average above. This one looks strong. It was punished a lot. No opinion. This one, not sure. I'm keeping it just to see what happens with building materials. So that's pretty much it. Those are the ones maybe there's more actually. Earnings today. Let's see if we found anything else of strength. Okay. No. We can have the tracking and see if we have any performers. No, that's pretty much it. And now I'm gonna just go through some of my positions. I'm gonna end the stream there. I did like these two. Maybe at the moment SMCI more, and let's see. Let's check this one if we populate this one with something else. Yeah, this one looks good. Real estate, interesting. It's a lot of buying here, end of day. Ramp stock looks good, not for everyone. No, damn. Where did it go? There. Okay, that's it. That's the stream. Maybe not so helpful, but you also see the process. Maybe you can use it somehow. I really like to buy on Fridays, but I also want to find somewhere where they're pouring money in, and I didn't really find it. I saw it a bit everywhere. Yeah, that's it.